So what would you really like to say when we ask you, I suppose, annoying questions? Like when we ask you, Alia, who you're dating at the moment?
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. That's all I want to say.
Shahid, when we ask you,
I am
about
married.
your lovely new bride.
You don't need to ask me this question ever again. I'm a happy man. Yes.
So when we ask you time and yet again about your lovely new bride,
I actually don't have issues talking about Meera. I just feel that there's a time and place for everything. So if it's asked at the wrong point in time, and I don't think there's anything wrong with any question that you ever ask. I think what's wrong is how it's asked and in what context it's asked and what it kind of, you can sense a vibe. That is somebody trying to be over smart, or is somebody genuinely asking a question, and then so the response becomes pretty much on the basis of that. If you feel that somebody's just asking a question genuinely, you want to give a genuine answer, why not?
when they tell you that the press conference is about to start and it's a full house and there's about 50 new journalists you've never met.
I think it depends what they have to say rather than what I have to say.
Right. And a lot of them is said to say new media, which often wants to assert its presence. What do you really want to say?
I think that's maybe something that you feel as a journalist more than I would.
Right, perhaps.
Because I'm used to very established journalists asking some really stupid questions and some very new people asking some questions which feel fresh and different.
Oh, really?
And vice versa as well.
Yeah,
So
sure.
I think it's just about, for me, I don't care who's asking the question as far as it's a question that I can answer in a new way.
Right.
Actually, for me, I think it's a completely new skill set. If you have the art of being able to answer the same question in 25 different ways, then you are somebody who's really good at promoting your movie, because that's the only way that you can do it. Because I truly believe for both the journalist and the actor, if you do not come out with fresh content, you're working really hard for somebody to flip a channel in 5 seconds because it sounds mundane and boring. So just work towards, asking questions that are exciting and giving answers that are relevant.
Right.
Actually, me and Alia were discussing this because we've been promoting for the last 2 weeks. That it's so cool when somebody asks you a question that you really want to answer. And it's so cool sometimes to be doing interviews. Like I'm doing one right now, honestly, and this is a nice question. And I'm happy answering it. That's why I'm going on talking about it. Because I've not said this before. So it feels nice to say it because it's something new. And it's something maybe people would be curious about.